First-person video can capture various types of human tasks. Recent multimodal large language models, or MLLMs, are capable of understanding still and video images. By providing MLLMs with first-person videos, it is anticipated that these models can be used for task documentation, task assistance, skills training, support for handicapped people, and wearable AI assistance based on first-person vision. However, processing high-resolution, long-duration first-person vision videos with MLLMs requires vast memory and processing time. In this study, we propose GazeLLM, which leverages first-person vision and gaze information to process only images around the gaze focus. With GazeLLM, portions of the video centered on the gaze are extracted from first-person footage. Even with only 1/10 of the original image's pixel count, we achieved equivalent or even better performance in video documentation. GazeLLM accurately recognizes human actions, and the video's timestamp is also precise. User evaluations were conducted across various tasks, including cooking, sports, and equipment repair. 3 methods were compared: using full first-person images, using GazeLLM, and using the center of the image as partial footage. Results from user experiments showed that the GazeLLM score was competitive with, or even superior to the full condition, and was statistically significantly higher than the center condition. With the 4 types of numerical evaluations, the gaze condition also scored statistically significantly higher than the center condition. GazeLLM can maintain high accuracy in task descriptions while reducing the input image data needed for LLMs.